In this story, we are learning how to make what's called spaghetti corn.
Corn is always a favorite in Nebraska. Joining us now with more is Sharon Portenier with CommonGround. Sharon, you have a recipe that is a family favorite of yours that also incorporates corn.
Yes, it is. We have had this for a family favorite for a long time. Our kids still, if everybody is home or if any of them are home, Mom, are you making spaghetti corn? So the recipe is very simple. We have a can of whole kernel corn, a can of cream style corn, some butter that I have cubed up so that it will blend in well, a half a cup of butter, and then a cup of shredded cheese. And spaghetti is hard to measure, so I just took a little bundle about an inch in diameter, and then I broke it up into real short little pieces. Just blend that in, and then put it in a baking dish. And that's probably been the biggest adjustment for me, is making it in a small baking dish instead of my great big one that I usually do, or filling the crock pot with it. We do that a lot. And it's very easy. You can mix it up the night before and have it in the refrigerator and then stick it in the oven before you leave for church. And it's done when you get home. I usually just bake it in a casserole dish. I did this morning in the microwave, but if you do it in the oven, it tends to be a little bit drier because of some of the moisture escapes, where in the microwave it doesn't so much. And it's really great. Our kids have been known to eat leftovers of it, the next day or maybe for breakfast. It's just a really yummy, all-around good treat.
Fantastic, Sharon. That looks good and easy and just looks like a great comfort meal as well. So thank you, Sharon, for joining us today.
Thank you very much for having me on.